In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or detach a component in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is really useful when you're working with instances and you want to make changes to just one specific element without affecting the original master component, whether you're editing a button, card, icon, or any other reusable design block. Knowing how to detach a component in Figma can save you a lot of time and give you more control over your design. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and locate the component instance that you want to detach. You can click directly on the component in the canvas to select it. Once it's selected, take a look at the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Figma shows the properties and controls for the selected element. Now, look for the three dots next to the component section. This menu gives you additional options for managing the instance. Click those three dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Detach Instance. As soon as you click that option, Figma will remove the component connection and turn it into a regular editable frame or group. That means you can now change the text, colors, spacing, shapes, or layout freely without affecting the original component. And that's really all there is to it. If you ever need to make one-off edits to a component instance, detaching it is the quickest way to do that. Just remember, once you detach it, it will no longer stay linked to the master component, so future updates from the original won't apply to it anymore. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Figma tips, design tricks, and beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.